Today, we're going to talk about what is a chai tea latte. Hey guys, welcome to ECBRE Coffee House. Welcome to CoffeeShop Vibes. I'm Mike. My wife and I, we took a small abandoned storefront in our hometown and we turned it into the region's first specialty coffee shop. Today, we're going to talk about what is a chai latte, and we're going to dive into the details, everything about a chai latte, which is different than a chai tea. I'll tell you how. Again, welcome to CoffeeShop Vibes. This is a show that helps expand or enhance your knowledge about specialty coffee shops. If you're like us, every time you're traveling, you like to visit new coffee shops. We get a lot of people who come in here and ask questions, and I like to share those questions and some insights from behind the bar with you to help enhance your specialty coffee shop experience. Today we're going to be talking about the chai latte. Yes, it is a drink that was popularized by Starbucks. Of course, chai tea came from India. The English started trading heavily. Obviously they were involved in India, and they brought chai kind of to the world. But of course, Starbucks kind of manipulated that and gave us the chai latte that we know today. So I'm going to dive into the details of what exactly is in a chai latte, how do you make it, and why most specialty coffee shops don't actually use chai tea. Here's the details. All right, guys, so it's the holiday season here in Katanning, all around the world. And, most people think of chai. This is chai tea. Of course, it comes in sachets, and it has this great aroma. That's why a lot of people associate chai with Christmas. But this is a chai tea. And how you make a London fog or how you could make a chai tea latte is actually put a tea bag in hot water, a couple ounces of hot water, and just let this steep for a little bit, and that would give you the base of the chai latte. Now that's one way to do it. It is not commonly done because it's a little bit time inefficient to make one of these using the tea bag and to get more flavor into it. So now what's more commonly done is people use a powder like this. So this is our chai tea mix, very famous mix. Actually, people come from all over and say that ECBRE has the best chai teas. And opening a specialty coffee shop in a small, really underserved town like Katanning, we never thought we'd serve many chai teas. It was somewhat of a, I hate to say this, but it was somewhat of an afterthought to us. But it is consistently, week in, week out, one of our top drinks. And like I said, people come from all over and they rave about the chai here at ECBRE Coffee House. So if you're ever in Western PA. But anyway, we use a powder. And I think one of the reasons that our chai's good is because, we're steaming the milk properly, we're using the purest water, and we're using a really high quality chai mix. Now the chai mix has much the same aroma. A lot of people blend this with seasonal things like pumpkin chais. We do gingerbread chai right now. You could do it with different, you put any flavor in this. A lot of people will put lavender, request lavender in this. But what happens is you just take this and you simply add, I'm gonna add it out of the espresso machine, but you simply add a couple ounces of water. Then you get this, and what you do is mix it. So, I'll mix it. And instead of having a double shot or triple shot of espresso, you have a base chai mix. You simply add this to your cup, steam about 10 ounces of milk. This is a 16-ounce latte. Steam 10 ounces of milk, about 4 ounces right here. Put those together, dump the milk on top, and voila, you have a chai latte. It is a very, very simple drink, especially if you get your chai right. Finally, you garnish it with a little cinnamon. So here we go. I'm gonna make one. Got half of it going. All we need now is the milk. There's no espresso in a chai latte unless you get a dirty chai. And that's another commonly asked thing here at the coffee house, a dirty chai. What we serve the most is dirty pumpkin chais, dirty gingerbread chais, where you add a single shot of espresso. So you would add that to your drink and mix it all up, and that would give you a dirty chai latte. But for a base chai latte, simply chai, mixed up chai, add the milk, throw a little cinnamon on top, and voila, happy holidays, you have a chai latte. All right, so I'm just steaming the milk, trying to get it right for the chai latte. Again, Starbucks kind of popularized it. No one's really sure who invented the actual chai. Nobody has claimed inventing the chai latte that we know it, which is milk-based. it does confuse people. It is a tea mix, tea powder, hot water, and then milk, your choice of milk. All right, so here we go. There's my cup of chai, cup of milk. Pour that in. Spin it around. Maybe add a little flour. Take some cinnamon, sprinkle it on top, and voila, a chai latte from East Peoria Coffee House. So that's what it is. Milk, a tea, chai tea mix most of the time. Sometimes it's actually steeped tea. Most specialty coffee houses will still make it with the mix because if it's more efficient and gives you a little bit more potent powder. You can add virtually anything. Like I said, favorites at the coffee house are gingerbread in the winter, pumpkin in the fall,